We will calculate how to express degrees in radians. In conversion of degrees into radians, multiply each with pi by 180. It will automatically get converted to this. Let us take up the first one. In this, 720 degrees multiplied by pi by 180 degrees. This will give us 0 cancels 4 times. It is 4 pi radians. Let us do the second one. In the second one, you have 150 degrees 150 multiplied by pi by 180 radians. So here 0 cancels, 3 5s, 3 6s. So it is 5 pi by 6 radians. Third one, you have 60 degrees 30 minutes. That gives us 60 and a half degrees. That means 121 by 2 degrees. You multiply with pi by 180. So it will be 121 pi divided by 360 radians.